Assalamualaikum and selamat sejahtera. Today we are from Group 6. We are from Group 6 make a presentation, a group presentation for a subject creativity and innovation. The topic of we choose is about subcritical water technology. So next is our group members, which is first is Kuala Tinggi, second is Nur Safiyah binti Esri Fadli, third is Nur Afiqah binti Aziman, and fourth is Muhammad Zafal bin Yusuf is me. So next is our introduction. First, the source of increasing rate of the waste generation are from industrialization, human activities and urbanization. Second is quantity and quality of municipal solid waste could affect on other factors such as environment condition. Third, the effectiveness of the solid waste management practice needs to be improved. So, second is definition of solid waste. Definition of solid waste refers the material or other unwanted surplus substance or rejected arising from the application of any process. Second is any substance required to be disposed of as being broken, worn out, contaminated, or otherwise spoiled. Third is any other material that according to this act or any other written law is required by the authority to be disposed of. All of these definition are according to Act 672 under law of Malaysia, which is Solid Waste and Public Cleansing Management Act 2007. Next is the classification of waste into several types. The waste can be classified into a few types, which is A, commercial solid waste, B is construction and demolition waste, C is agriculture and animal waste, D is industrial waste, and E is municipal solid waste. So I will tell about the source of municipal solid waste and municipal solid waste into a few categories. The left is source of municipal waste and the right is categories of municipal solid waste. So first is residential area. Residential area is categorized by such as food waste, food container and packer, can, bottles, paper and newspaper, clothes, garden waste and e-waste and furniture waste. Second is commercial center, which is office lots, small shop and restaurant. It's very type of paper and box. Food waste, food container and packer, can or bottle. Third is industry with factory. The categories can divide by office waste, cafeteria waste, processing waste. Fourth is city center, which is drainage road. Can categorized by varied type of garden waste, construction waste, and public waste.
Hello everyone, my name is Nur Afiqah. Today I will present the innovation from my group. So, firstly I will introduce to you all about multi-purpose recycle machine (MRM). So, MRM is a future type of subcritical water reactor that processes flammable waste by using high pressure and high temperature in a pressurized vessel. There is no incineration process. Therefore, MRM doesn't generate carbon dioxide, dioxin, or nitrous oxide. Odors are not generated because of the seed process. This is very good for the prevention of global warming gases and the protection of the environment. The resulting process products are in a germ-free condition, with the residual dioxin and heavy metals below government safety standards. Processing of waste takes about an hour. It is able to recycle organic waste such as raw garbage, architectural scrap wood, organic sludge, polystyrene, shredder dust, agricultural vinyl, incineration ash, and any other flammable waste. The product obtains usually feeds, compost, and an organic compound. The picture shown in the slide is a picture of multi-purpose recycling machine, and the dimension of MRM are 4.5 meter in height, 8 meter in length, and 2.5 meter in width. Secondly, let me introduce about subcritical water. Subcritical water is liquid water under pressure at temperatures above the usual boiling point at 374 degrees Celsius and 22 megapascal. It becomes a uniform fluid that is neither steam nor water. This condition is called the critical point. The hot water where temperatures and pressure are lower than critical point is called subcritical water, where hydrothermal reaction occurs. Through this reaction, the organic molecules such as starch and protein are decomposed into glucose and amino acid, as well as being changed into a liquid form from solids. In conclusion, this reaction is very safe, good for environment, and obtains valuable resources such as proteins from food waste in a quick and easy process.
Hi, my name is Nur Safia binti S. Ribadi with normal matrix AN210101. So I will present to you guys about 2.2, which is process of subcritical water technology. So these are the example of the feedstock. We have seeds, feedstock which are spoiled fruits, food waste, sewage, sludge, plastic and paper bags, livestock residue, and lastly, agricultural waste. Next, the feedstock will go into our machine, which is multi-purpose recycle machine, MRM. This machine requirement, which is temperature between 150 to 230 degrees Celsius, pressure 1 to 2 MPa, and time 1 hour per cycle, which will contain 2 ton capacity each process. After that, we will obtain the product which are feeds, compost, and organic compound. 2.3. So as we can see, this is our 2D sketch of multi-purpose recycle machine. The picture shows about the process to obtain the product. First, shredding of raw material. Next, put the raw material into container and lift it to the top. And then load raw material into reactor. And then the raw material is processed using SCW technology. SCW stands for supercritical water. Supercritical water gasification is the process in which water having a pressure of over 22 MPa and a temperature over 374 Celsius is used as the gasifying agent. After the process using SCW technology, we will obtain the product. So when we get the product, we have to dry until it dried completely, and then we will package it.
Hello, I am Guan, and now we talk about the SWOT analysis. For the strength, we have a pathogen-free product, zero waste concept, environmentally friendly, zero greenhouse gas emissions, zero odor, and cheaper processing fee. For the weakness, we have a technology is not well known in Malaysia. And for the opportunities, we can have changed the waste management method that is not vulnerable to our earth. And the last one is tricks, which is the competition from other countries like Japan. They have a more advanced technology in waste management. Okay, now I will talk about the business strategy. For the business strategy, we will introduce our product to our target customer, which are home Malaysian, to use our waste management technology and our product from the process, which is fertilizer, by showing them our product strengths on social media like Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and the television show. We also will do some roadshow at the shopping mall like Pavilion to do demonstration for the public. Other than that, we also will do a series of promotion to attract our customer and increase our reputation. Our team also will find a chance to do a collaboration with the local farmer so that our product can become the main choice for our Malaysian farmers. Okay, now we have a cost analysis. In the cost analysis, we have two, which is a variable cost and fixed cost. For the variable cost, we have packaging, electrical power, and transportation. The total variable cost per unit is 85 cents. And for the fixed cost, we have a marketing advertisement, which is 300 ringgit, management and administration, which is 3,000 ringgit, and for the business registration and fixed tax, 500 ringgit, and multi-purpose recycle machine, which is 5,000 ringgit. We also have borrow some loan, which is 10,000 ringgit with the interest, which is 3%. The total fixed cost is 9,830 ringgit. In summary, we have a variable cost per unit of product 85 cents. Total fixed cost 9,830 ringgit. If we set the selling price is 9 ringgit 99 cents, thus the profits we obtain will be 9 ringgit and 14 cents per unit of fertilizer. Then if the selling reach 5,000 units, the profit is 35,870 ringgit. Based on this estimation cost analysis, the fertilizer has the potential to be commercialized in the fertilizer field. That's all for me. Thank you.